First game of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, bin a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! So Nova, Alpha, then I will tribute for like Karibo. Now I can Alpha, tribute Ben 10, special summon from the grave, activate effect to add another Ben 10. Ben 10, that's gonna get Orange Light, just in case he has any monster name. Just in case I gotta negate monsters. What is that, another Ben 10? I think it's what do I do here? What do I do? Do I go for that? Go for... I think so, let's try it. Relinquished. Anima. And Union Carrier. Activate Union Carrier, target itself. Equip Dawn Knight. Then activate Medionis Drytron, Ben 10 in the grave, tribute, Union Carrier, special summon, Dawn Knight. Oh god. Let's dump Delta. Let's dump Delta in there. And we could do Delta, tributing Gamma. Special, activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card, Alpha. Okay. Medionis Drytron. Decrease, add, and off. It would have to be this guy here. Gamma. Ben 10. Special from the grave, special from the grave. Ben 10, that is now gonna be Vanity's Ruler. Yeah. Medionis Drytron. Ben 10. Tributing, oh, I could even tribute him. Alpha. I'll keep the Alpha. I'll tribute Gamma. And I will normal summon. Tribute summon for Vanity's Ruler. Let's get 2 Ben 10s. 2 Ben 10, it's gonna be Eva. And another. Go for another Ben 10. Let's get the other Ben 10. Yeah. What's going on here? Karibo. Okay. Go for a Verte with these two. Activate effect, copy, Red-Eyes Fusion, dump for Dragoon, dumping Dark Magician and Red-Eyes Black Dragon. You go Shokan! Red-Eyes Dark Dragoon, and let's duel wings. Flawless victory. Perfect. I don't even know what he's playing. Don't even know what he's gonna play. I don't know. Joel and Lockbird. 1, 2. Three. Finish. No reply from Tristan. Oh, come on, Lancia. Do I save the Lancia? Always playing pendulums. I'll save it. I don't even know what to do here. I had a feeling about Nibiru. I had a feeling. Not the same card, no. Level 7. Seems like level 7. It's gonna destroy. Special summon one face up. What the? Pendulum monster from extra deck. Okay. 28 attack. Whoa. Endymion. What does this mean? What is this? Abductor. Oh, okay. So that's the counter right there. Institution. Oh, God. What? What is going on? This guy has 4 counters. Mighty Master. Crowley. He can negate turn. Fafnir. Oh, I forgot about orange light. Oh, it can't be destroyed. Right. That's okay. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.